Our children grow up in the blink of an eye. The jokes they tell today, the things they love right now, they change so fast. What if you could freeze a piece of today and open it together in the future? All you need is a simple jar or a box. But this isn't just a craft project, it's a time capsule. It's a collection of who you are as a family, right here, right now. It's a way to tell your child, this moment we are sharing is worth keeping. The magic happens in the choices. Ask each other, what was our best laugh this month? What are we proud of? As you fill the jar, you're not just putting in paper, you're practicing gratitude and showing them that their feelings and memories matter to you. You don't need fancy souvenirs. Put in a tracing of their hand to see how much it grows. Write down the funny word they mispronounce, or the song you both dance to in the kitchen. These tiny details are the heartbeat of your connection. They say, I'm paying attention to your world. Ask your child, if you could tell yourself something 1 year from now, what would it be? And you, do the same. Tell them one thing you love about them today that you never want to forget. This builds a bridge between who you are now and who you will become together. Remember, the goal isn't just to fill the jar. The goal is the 30 minutes you spent sitting on the floor talking, laughing and remembering. The jar is just the witness to the time you gave each other. When the jar is full, find a special place to keep it. This isn't just a box on a shelf. It's a promise. A promise that no matter how busy life gets, you will always find time to protect what matters most. Decide on a date to open it, and then let the anticipation build. The magic of a time capsule isn't just in the opening, it's in the waiting. Every time you walk past that jar, you'll both be reminded of the afternoon you spent creating it. It stands as a physical reminder of your bond, even on the days when you feel a little disconnected. You don't need a special occasion to start. You just need a jar and a few minutes of presence. Because in the end, we don't remember the chores or the screens, we remember the time we truly gave to one another. Go make a memory,